Number 38. Which process makes use of a genetically engineered organism? Okay, which process makes use of a genetically engineered organism? So it's actually quite close. It's related to 37, question 37, slightly. I would say the answer for this question is A. So genetically engineered organism means that the gene from one species is taken out and inserted into another species to produce desired product. Okay? So when people need insulin, human insulin, we don't take it out from the humans, but rather we take out the human genes for insulin, human insulin genes, let's say, and we insert it. Actually, we insert it on in bacterial plasmid. And we put the whole thing back into the bacteria, and bacteria will make proteins based on what's written in the plasmid, and now it has a human insulin gene. So it's going to read it and make proteins according to the genes. And it's going to produce the insulin, okay, human insulin. So A is the correct answer for this one. B is talking about enzymes, no. C, still enzyme, no. Yeast, no. So B and C and D as well, they are, no, actually, my bad. B and C are talking about the enzymes, like biotechnology that uses enzymes. D is just using yeast, okay? Yeast to produce ethanol for brewing, like making beer and spirits. So, anyways, A is the answer for this one, okay?